Hello and welcome. Kamusta kayong lahat dito mga kapatid kong star viewers? Na-miss ko kayo. I love you guys. Again guys, maraming salamat po sa mga tumatangkilik dito sa aking YouTube channel, sa mga supporters ko dyan at sa lahat ng mga umiidolo sa akin. Thank you guys. Ang mga mensahe ninyo, mga komento ninyo ay nakakataba ng puso. Thank you guys. At sa mga supporters, thank you. Sa mga believers, thank you. And kamusta kayong lahat? I do hope everybody are doing well. Ang reading na ito ay may paparating sa iyo. Alamin natin itong tungkol na paparating sa iyo. Let's get your current energy. Wow, paparating, may uuwi. Page of Wands, siguro ikaw itong uuwi. Again guys, this is collective and timeless reading. Kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo naaayon sa mga nababanggit ko dito. Kung hindi naman, para yun sa iba. Huwag po natin lahat din, hindi po ito private reading. So, Page of Wands, ito ay paparating na mga kapatid. Someone or this could be you kasi minsan nagkaka-reverse, nakakapalit-palit yung energy, ano? This could be you or somebody na uuwi na. Or this could be you na magta-travel. Meron kasi dito may magta-travel. Ito ay paparating na, nalalapit na. You could be afraid. Siguro, takot ka or somebody here is worried about this travel or journey. Yeah. Worried ka, takot, anxiety. I don't know why you're feeling that way. Ayaw kong i-dig in, no? Yeah. Yung mga energy pa kasi mas baka tatagal pang reading na ito. Let's get more current energy. Again, Two of Swords. What else more? Current energy natin mga collective. Okay, Queen of Cups and Ten of Swords. Okay, someone here already finding their true love and ending. Okay, move on. May nakapag-move on na dito from the past relationship. Yeah, past relationship or anxiety, you are finally healing or healed. Meron naman dito feeling well. It could be physically, yung iba dito. Physically na napapagamot na, no? Meron kasi dito napapagamot na. You are doing well now, you are feeling well. You are finally healed from this pain. Physically, I don't know, I'm hearing like burnout. Yes, I think, again guys, focus on what you are doing. Mag-focus kayo sa, I don't know, like, sa katawan ninyo, healing, pagpapadoktor, like again guys, kung hindi magandang inyong pangangatawan, ang inyong pakiramdam, dapat talaga mag-focus kayo kung ano ang nakakarap or nararapat, no? Mga gamot, operasyon, I don't know, chemo. I'm getting like chemotherapy. Whatever you guys done lately, pagpapadoktor, operation, I'm getting like healing. It will go successful. Mag-success ito mga kapatid. Like again guys, huwag tayong matakot. I'm getting like a fear, anxiety, and ending. May nag-i-end dito. An ending of your fear. An ending about this emotional baggage, imbalance. Yeah, I'm getting like you have been through a lot. Takot, I'm hearing like tapos ka na. Tapos ka na sa mga pagsubok. Yeah, an ending of these challenges. So, dito muna tayo mag-focus sa energy nito kasi meron naman itong ibang energy na kukuha ko. This energy is about an ending of the pain, an ending about sacrificing, or it could be emotional baggage. You know your worth. Alam mo na kung ano yung gagawin mo. And alam mo na kung ano yung mas nakakabuti sa iyo. Whatever it is, guys, no? And meron naman dito na you finally found or find this, I don't know, found this happiness, pure love. Meron kasi ito nag-end relationship, end from the past. You are finally moved on. Whatever past pain, challenges, nag-end na ito. Tapos na. Finally, you are, nahanap mo na yung iyong kasiyahan. Whatever na nakapagpapasaya sa iyo, stick with it mga kapatid. Yeah. And like again, self-care, self-love, heal yourself. And kailangan mag-relax mga kapatid, ano? Lalong-lalo na malapit ng Pasko, this is timeless mga collective. And I know for sure, yung iba dito sa inyo, kayod kabayo, ano, talagang trabaho ng trabaho or focus sa trabaho, sa finances, dahil marami kayong mga responsibility or siguro mga activities. And again guys, do not kill yourself about this physical or emotional activity. Work, overthinking, overanalyzing, worries, anxiety. You need to rest. Magpahinga ka. Matulog. Or yung iba dito magpa-doktor. Uminom ng gamot. Mag-stick kayo sa kung anong mas nakakabuti sa inyo. Yeah. Okay. Yung iba naman, Two of Swords and Page of Wands. You could be dealing about an opportunity. Worried. Siguro worried ka or again meron kasi travel dito, uuwi, may pupuntahan. It could be, I don't know, wherever you guys go. May planong pagpupunta dito. Worried ka siguro. A plan. Meron naman dito sa inyo, making a plan or undecided ka pa dito sa plan na ito. Hindi mo alam kung gagawin mo ba ito, magsasucess ba ito. It's all about your emotions. You could be emotionally imbalanced. I don't know, insecurity. Or, at this moment, siguro, ikaw yung tao na, pagka may narinig kang mga negativity messages or negativity ideas, sabihin natin na, may dalawa kang nagustuhang gamit, ano, sabihin natin dalawang bag, or something like pagpipilian. Siguro excited ka dito, kaya lang when you hear somebody na mag-suggest na, ay, pangit yan, hindi yan maganda sa iyo, or sasaktan ka niyan. Kasi guys, multiple energy na kukuha ko dito. It's about travel, ideas, or it could be manliligaw. Yeah, samut-saring ideas or samut-saring energy na kukuha ko dito sa inyo mga kapatid. So, like again, iba-iba yung mga sitwasyon ninyo. Dealing about not sure. Yeah, not sure kung tutuloy ka or tatanggapin mo ba itong offer or itong travel or multiple people, multiple suitors, invitation, gatherings. Yeah, something about undecided ka pa. Nagdadalawang isip ka kung tutuloy, tatanggapin, gagawin. Or this could be insecurity. Like again, it's hidden. It's within you. Yes, guys, wag tayo basta-bastang magpadala ng ating mga emosyon. Kasi meron dito sa inyo, emotionally imbalanced. This could be related about sa star, no? Or, yeah, something about like Neptune. I don't know. Yeah. A planet. Yeah. This could be related sa mga retrograde, ano? Yeah. Okay. Kaya siguro ganyan ang pakiramdam ninyo or upside down na feeling, emotions. Alright. So, this could be your energy at this moment, mga kapatid. If ever na any of my or any na mga nabanggit ko dito, hindi na resonate sa inyo or hindi naayon sa inyo, maybe this energy is not for you. So, maybe this reading is not meant for you, ano? So, skip nyo na mga kapatid kung ayaw mong pakinggan or pagpatuloy itong reading na ito. Alright, so let's find out more. So, let's find out more about this. Ano itong paparating sa inyo, mga collective? Wow. Okay, the sun. Happiness. Meron dito siguro magtatampisaw, mag-swimming, night out. I don't know, something about, okay, I'm getting like fertility. A child. Meron itong manganganak. Or, I'm hearing like, I don't know, mapapaanak nang wala sa oras. A happiness. Yes. Something about a baby here. Emotional. Okay, a good news. This could be related about good news no na I don't know, a good news about mapapairik ka na lang or mapapatawa ka na lang or a good news about happiness or become emotional. Baka bigla ka magiging emotional sa good news or sa balitang marireceive mo. alamin natin mamaya what else about this related sa good news, ano? Appreciation. Itong paparating sa inyo, mangliligaw. You will be feeling beautiful. Something about like unbelievable. Hirap mang paniwalaan, but then again guys, you are truly admirable, beautiful. Meron itong mangliligaw. You could be receiving multiple suitors here. Dalawang mangliligaw. Makaka-receive ka ng, it could be a letter, a message, or by words. Verbally, no? Sasabihin ng taong ito, ang ganda-ganda mo, pwede bang ligawan kita? Can you be my girlfriend? Can you be my wife? Would you be my wife? Yeah. Kasi meron dito sa inyo, when this person is talking or coming in, kasi meron dito sa inyo na you will be feeling love by this person, especially if you are in a relationship, kung may partner ka na. Yes, hindi magdadalawang isip na magpapakita ng pagmamahal ang iyong partner. Siguro yung partner mo magbibigay ng bulaklak, or take you out for dinner, offer you something. Siguro meron dito sa inyo magse-celebrate. Yeah, meron dito magbibigay ng bulaklak or yeah, I'm getting like somebody's something about like mangliligaw or telling you how beautiful you are. Na na-appreciate kanila. You are truly beautiful inside out. Kaya siguro, ikaw dito, pagka ma-receive mo itong mensaheng ito, a message or this person is being open, kasi meron ito may mag-open up ng nararamdaman. Mapapaluha ka na lang, or meron kasi itong matatawa, matutuwa. Kasi matouch ka dito. Yes, matouch ka dito sa taong ito na biglang mag-offer ng pagmamahal or mag-open up. Siguro sa inyo dito, hindi ka maniwala or hindi ka basta-basta naniniwala sa taong ito dahil it could be lies, no? Mga, I don't know, sweet talks. Takot ka siguro mag-trust. Kaya meron dito na unbelievable. It's too hard to, or it's too good to be true na ang taong ito ay may gusto sa akin. Or ina-admire ako ng taong ito, or it's too good to be true na biglang maging ganito ang taong ito sa akin. Something like that na energy, no? Yeah. Like again, guys, a person who is envy. First time ko itong matanggap itong envy or itong card na ito. Number 20, you could be at the early age. This could be, siguro, inggit ang taong ito dahil mukha kang bata o mas bata ka pa. Yeah. So, you could be thinking about this person is too good to be true na maging mabuti ang taong ito dahil alam mo, kasi meron itong intuitive or secretive. Deep down, alam mo kung sino itong taong ito or sabihin natin plastic, no? Fake. Not truthful. But this person is coming in, trying to express how they feel. Yeah. Because guys, you are truly appreciative. Maganda ka, inside and out. Happy. You look like young. I'm getting like, you look like young or you act like a child. You bring happiness to the environment. Maraming natutuwa sa'yo, maraming nag-i-enjoy sa'yo. And that's what you are attracting right now. And that's why these people are coming in. Gusto nilang mapalapit sa'yo. Gusto kang makita in person. Gusto nilang makita kang maging masaya. Gusto nilang makita yung mga ngiti mo. Like again, a new person, admirer, na papaparating. A new lover. Like again, guys, new person's coming in. This, oh my God, man holding a heart. Hindi ko to kayang ma-edit, guys. Hindi to pwedeng, no, may tago. But again, admirer, secret admirer. A secret admirer can't keep their secret. Hindi nila kayang itago ang nararamdaman nila sa iyo. They will be becoming more open, verbally, or by actions. Magulat ka na lang. Like again, unbelievable. It's too good to be true. Whoever this person, like again guys, itong paparating, envy, may inggit dito, could be a friend, kaedad mo, or an older person. Meron kasi itong age gap na inggit. Jealous about your happiness, jealous about this person's coming in, admirer, or yes, you guys have this big heart. Masayahin, matulungin, madaling maawain, may pagka-childish. I'm hearing like you look young. Something about your hair, your looks, your smile, your happiness. Yeah. You are attracting these people and ito ay paparating na. Admirer, again, man holding a heart. I think the person, meron kasi itong long distance, no? Yes, may LDR dito. Itong person ito ay papalapit na, paparating, magkikita. May pagkikita sa inyo. Meron ditong sikreto muna, no? Maybe you can sense that this person is coming in. Paparating siya. I'm hearing like, you can sense it. Nararamdaman mo. Siguro, ito yung iniisip mo ngayon na, ay, hindi naman siya, hindi naman kami magkikita. Hindi naman niya ako mahal, hindi niya ako gusto. Hindi niya gagawin ito. Hindi naman siya mangliligaw sa akin or something about like, parang struggle ka, no? Like again, it's too good to be true na gagawin ng taong ito yung pangako. I'm hearing like pangako or plano. But then again, guys, this person's coming in with pure love, pure intentions. Ito ay paparating sa iyo, a lover, more love from your person. If you are in a relationship, yes, magiging vocal. Maraming plano ang person mo. Plano niyang mag-travel kayo, mag-date, take you out. Like again, it's too good to be true na magiging, na na-appreciate ng taong ito ang pagmamahal. Or yung looks mo. O yung kabutihan ng puso mo. Something about like, you are truly admirable because of your heart. Your generosity. Yeah, mabuti kang tao. And that's why this person's coming in more. Or mas magiging open siya. Na-appreciate ka niya. There will be more people. Multiple people is coming in. Dahil na-appreciate nila yung kabutihan ng iyong puso. Ang pagiging maganda. Something about your looks, your hair, your hairstyle. Yeah, mas nag-attract ka mga kapatid. Mas nag-boost itong confident. Like again guys, do not let this fear to outshine you. Conflict. You guys are truly beautiful inside out. Huwag niyong hayaan itong mga insecurity or evil thought or negative thought, no, na makontrol ka. And do not let this envy mga insecure na mga tao na ma-discourage ka. Meron kasi ditong, it's all in your head. Emotional, emotional imbalance. You need to distract yourself. I guess, pampering yourself, self-care, self-love, choose happiness. Yes, masaya ka na, nakapag-move on ka na. And I guess it's time to open your heart to a new person, new lover, new friendship. And accept these people's appreciation. No, sabihin natin na, ang ganda-ganda mo, collective, ang gwapo-gwapo mo. At huwag mong i-decline yung mga appreciation. Yeah, when they come or approach you, no, para batiin ka na, wow, collective, ang ganda mo, ang gwapo mo. Just say thank you. Kasi ang totoo na-appreciate nila eh. Na-appreciate nila yung ganda mo. Yung kabutihan ng iyong puso. Like again guys, this is what you are attracting right now. These are what coming in. multiple. Pure love, real people, and jealous people. Envy. Yes, wag kayo papadala sa mga discouragement, no? Or i-discourage ka ng mga inggit ng mga tao. Like again, inggit lang sila. Inggit, pikit, move on, self-love, self-care, and accept this offer or appreciation. Because you are truly beautiful inside out, fashionista, happy. Do not let this happiness to dim, no? To dim your light, to dim your happiness. Like again, inggit lang sila. And get rid of this insecurity. Tanggalin itong mga insecure or emotional imbalance, negativity. Because you are truly beautiful inside out. Like again, community. You are truly beautiful. Yeah, a lot of friends. Okay, 3 people here. Reunite. Maybe meron itong pagkikita. Celebration. Meron itong friendship na nabubuo. Friends, 3 tao. Or siguro, 3 siguro kayong magkaibigan na truly admire each other. Or trust each other or love each other. Celebration. Yeah, meron naman dito nagbo-boost ang inyong confident. I guess a friend, a lover, it's going to help you to boost your confidence, to cheer you up. Meron kasi ditong an age gap. No? Yeah. May mga tao or somebody is going to discourage you. Like again, guys, focus about the good friends, happiness. O focus ka na lang sa mga tao na na-appreciate ka, no? Yeah. Okay. So, focus ka na lang, mag-ingat-ingat din sa mga fake lover, fake friends. Alam mo, and kung sino itong totoo para sa iyo. Kasi yung totoong para sa iyo ay ini-encourage ka. Pinapasaya ka. Ipinaglaban ka. Yeah. Kasi yung mga fake friends, they are the people na i-discourage ka. Yeah, you guys are truly intuitive. Follow your gut feeling. So, message na tayo from the universe. Okay, yes or no na lang bago mag-end ang reading na ito. Ask any question and the answer will be yes or no. So again guys, ito yung magbubuka sa inyo. Ito yung paparating sa inyo. A lover, pure love, and community, friends, celebration, good news. Yes, mapapaluha ka. So, something about this person, nakalimutan ko guys. So, part 2 na lang natin yung iba. No? Kasi meron akong another energy na nakukuha. But, let's end this reading. So, part 2 na lang yung iba mga kapatid. Something about the envy. Mayroon kasi paparating na may naiinggit at alamin natin kung sino. But the next reading na lang. Ano. So, let's get a final message from the universe. Okay. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, final message for my collective. So, we have here, trust your intuition. Like again, guys, trust your intuition. Kasi meron dito, nahihirapan ka. Yeah, nahihirapan ka magbigay desisyon to choose, I don't know, conflicted about this, a goal, or about a suitors, new person, plan, I don't know, something about conflict, no? Like again, guys, at the end of the day, trust yourself, trust your inner knowing, and your intuition. You guys are psychically strong here. So, it's time to stop seeking advice from others and go inside instead. Like again, guys, pause nyo muna ang reading na ito and kayo, kung pwede, kayo na lang ang magbasa, no? Or basahin nyo na lang. Yeah. So, it's time to stop seeking advice from others and go inside instead. You know what's best for your body, mind, and spirit. Sit in meditation, walk in the woods, ask yourself what you need and listen. Tune in to your inner guidance. When you get a gut reaction, honor it. You have the answer and it's safe to trust yourself. Everything you need is ready already inside you. So yes, everything you need is already inside you. Alam mo kung ano yung sagot. Okay? Kasi sabihin natin, alam na alam mo yung anong sagot, kaya lang, you are resisting the truth. Dahil hindi mo matatanggap siguro yung iba dito. Kung ano talagang totoo or ano yung sagot. Dahil hindi ka satisfied, kaya nagtatanong ka na lang sa iba. Tuloy, nagkakaroon ng conflict. That could be your situation. Yung iba dito. Alright? So, like again guys, follow your instinct, follow your gut feeling, you know the answer, and honor it. Because you are psychically, spiritually, gifted here, yung iba dito sa inyo. So, that's it for today to all my beloved star viewers. Thank you guys sa lahat ng mga tumatangkilik. I love you guys and please leave your comment below and share your story. Nakakatuwang malaman at mabasa ang inyong mga storya ng inyong buhay. And at mag-ingat po kayong lahat and I hope to see you guys in my next reading. Bye and thank you!